Okay, so you're upgrading Label Connector version 2021 to 2022, and you've reached this login screen, and now your credentials aren't working. In some cases, this might have been upgraded by Right Networks. In other cases, you may just have downloaded our latest edition, and you actually had a license and a credential for version 2021, and your login's no longer working. So here's how to proceed. If you reach this login screen and it's just showing that your credentials no longer work, you'll need to then proceed to the AccuWare website, go to the Label Connector for QuickBooks Desktop Edition page, and go ahead and just register for the 2022 edition. Just register to get yourself a username and password here, and then you should be able to then log in with the latest 2022 edition using the regular login page that's presented to you. Now, if you've been moved from the 2021 edition to the 2022 edition, the other thing that's going to have to be performed again is the procedure for connecting to QuickBooks, because our 2022 edition has tighter certificate security. So you'll need to run the procedure where you'll need to log into QuickBooks, go into single user mode. Okay, I'm already in single user mode here, but you can switch to single user mode, and you got to log in as the admin. So this is an inconvenience, but we need to reconnect to your QuickBooks company file. So go into single user mode, and then use the Label Connector icon here to then authenticate. And what that's going to do is that's going to open up the QuickBooks authentication page that looks like this. It'll pop up, and notice I had to select that red icon that QuickBooks, on the older editions it flashes, on the newer editions it sometimes just gives you a little red, like amber, like kind of LED looking thing here, or sometimes it just turns amber color, and that's because it's pulling this screen up. And just go ahead and select yes whenever QuickBooks company file is open, continue, and you'll see our certificate information shows up here in a much more secure way now. So you're just basically reconnecting to the QuickBooks company file. And once you've done that, you can check that happened properly by going into Edit Preferences, Integrated Applications, and Company Preferences, and you'll see in your case, when you're upgrading from 21 to 22, you'll see a second entry for Label Connector for the 2022 edition that will then appear there. And then, so that means you are officially reconnected. So that's the steps to go from 2021 to 2022. You've got to get yourself some updated credentials from our website. Just recapping here, at AccuWare-Inc.com. Go to the Label Connector Desktop Edition, sign up there, and then you will need to reperform the Connect to QuickBooks step. In some cases, this has been done for you if you're on Right Networks. If you're not, you'll need to perform that step. So hope this helps anyone that's going from QuickBooks 2021 to 2022. Thanks.